and then think to work to achieve that particular goal. If you want to achieve that particular goal, your effort is required for that. Not only the only teachers or fathers or mothers are not only the responsible for that. Along with teachers, mother and father, even your effort is also very important. Am I right? Simple example, a young child learning to speak. We all born and we started enhancement of our skill set by learning. Am I right?
Yes.
From school education to higher education. It means it demonstrates the ability to acquire language as well as communicate effectively. That's why in our family, if environment is good in family, then the son or daughter, they can learn based upon our observations and how we are performing our role in the family. If we are not performing correct role in the family, our son and daughter is also going to think that whatever they are doing it is right. That's why parents, nowadays we are using mobiles. Yes, make a plan for that. How much mobile you want to use in per day. Don't use mobile continuously. Okay. So it is also technology. But how much technology we need to use, we should think ourselves first. For what purpose we need technology, we must think about ourselves. Technology is for both. It is good as well as for bad also. That's why destructive as well as constructive. Always our thinking should be constructive mode instead of spoiling the things. So that's why as a technologist, I'm going to say that always you can use technology for positive purpose. That's why here we are thinking about AI. Now we got the idea about intelligence. Now what about the definition of artificial intelligence? In one word, I can define it. AI is a technology. So what's the role of this AI? What kind of activities as a human we are performing? Like a human, we can train for the computer systems to act like a human being. Now I am standing in front of you people and I am speaking. Is it possible for computer to speak like us? Possibility is there or not? Tell me anyone. According to your existing knowledge, how I am speaking, I can ask my computer, speak like me. Yes, it is possible with the help of AI. That's why AI is for all. The government of India has taken the mantra of AI, the first initiative of government of India when Narendra Modi has took the charge of Prime Minister of this country. Digital India concept started with the help of AI only. Till today, lots of schemes, quantum computing at present days, I think last year onwards, quantum computing, AI in the year 2020, I think after lockdown, means after COVID, AI started, then quantum computing last year, and this year, semiconductor technology. Just you can imagine, these three deep technologies, these are all technology comes under deep tech. These three technology can transform our country to reach Vishwaguru. There is no doubt at all. But only thing is that we should think in terms of innovation to solve the problems in our country instead of solving the problems present in other countries. The IT industries in our country, they are taking problems from other country. Our engineers, they are giving solution to their problems. Am I right or not? Because we are across the global, technology is good in our country. We are giving service for other countries and to their problems. Why not for our own problems? Tell me anyone, any answer for that? These many IT countries are there, IT companies are there, but they are not able to solve the problems present in our country. All research like teachers or researchers in IIT and IIITs, they are doing research to solve problems of our country. And that to last 10 years back onwards we are thinking, but before that, percentage is very less. Why I am telling you, we are submitting proposal for Government of India, and the Government of India is asking, tell me your research is going to solve problems at present in the society. 1942 proposal is gone. Nowadays, if you are going to submit the long back 1942 era problems, not ready to accept a solved problem. Think about present problems in the society. It means, my point is here, lots of opportunity for the young students at present days in the country to think innovatively. Okay, so AI is a science and technology branch. The main purpose is to make machine intelligent like a human being. Now, automation. What kind of activities manually you are doing in your organizations? So we can do computerization. Computerization means not simply in terms of digitization. We should think about intelligently that information should be converted into a meaningful information, and that information should be useful for to take decision about the problem present in the society. It means always decision should be a reliable kind of decisions. That's why expert system. We are going to say that expert system. The expert system development is going to happen with the help of artificial intelligence technology. That's why automation. I think everyone you are using in mobile, Google Assistant. How many students are using Google Assistant? Anyone is using Google Assistant? Yeah. So how the Google is going to give answers? Anyone knows? Simply in Google Assistant you are asking, where is Shambhasheshwar temple in Gulbarga? In earlier days, we are going to ask the people of the society, please give me the location where the Shambhasheshwar temple is located in Gulbarga. But at present days, no need. You can ask the Google Assistant. The Google Assistant on the basis of AI. That application is developed with the help of artificial intelligence technology. Within a fraction of a second, it displays the route and complete information. Not only the temple, whatever you want, you can ask. The AI is ready to give answer. But the point is that AI is developed based upon the knowledge collected from the Google. I think everyone we are using Google in mobile. Why the Google is given free of cost to everyone? They are collecting our information. Not only simple information, our sentiment analysis they are doing. Just you can imagine. Their sentiment analysis of the country they are doing through technology. That is the Western culture. That's why I'm telling. It is good as well as for bad. As a human, we should think about ourselves. Most of the time nowadays, the girls, they are using the reels in the app. Am I right? Like particularly the young students, they are also using the reels. That is not good. Am I right or not? As a computers learner, I am saying all these things we should not use for our entertainment purpose. We can use the technology only for business purpose. The Western culture, they are using technology only for business purpose, not for any entertainment purpose. Facebook, Twitter. In Twitter also you are sharing some kind of information. Twitter is a kind of social platform for professionals. Facebook is common platform, it's a common social platform. There also you are adding the information, like your photo you are adding. That's why the crimes are increasing day by day. Because today you are going to some other place, in status also you are keeping, today off to the Hyderabad. Off to Hyderabad. It means the peoples, those who are in your group, they can see this person is not there in house today. Then that particular person can think, I can go and I can do whatever I want. Yes or no? We are giving chance to them to do all such kind of activities. Why I'm telling you, the policy, IT policies at government level don't misuse the technology. Already government of India is already thinking in that particular direction. Shortly, maybe within 10 years, the IT policy will come in our country. Because at present day still we are not reached that particular higher level development of the technologies. That's why it is given at least platform for everyone to use the technology how you want. Okay. So automation purpose, AI will support, and robotics. Yes, nowadays in hotels as well as in education system, the robots are coming up. There is no need of teachers in classroom also. I'm going to explain in detail in one of the slides how AI is going to contribute for development of the robots. Okay, and virtual assistant, what I explained just now, Google Assistant, softwares, expert systems, self-driving cars. Is it possible in our country, self-driving car? Why? What's the problem? Yes, infrastructure problem. Okay, just you can imagine in abroad like UK or USA, already implemented. If you want to reach that particular level, what kind of solutions we want in our country? Government is thinking in terms of by 2047 we want to become Vishwaguru, but these are all problems in our countries. How to solve such kind of problems? As a student at the school education level, as a teachers at the education level, we should think about it. Okay. In simple definition, simulation of human intelligence processed by computer system. Like human understanding, learning, solving the problems, effective communication. These are all activities as a human we are doing. Like that, machine also. What I told in deep technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Machine learning is required like a sister in the family. Brother means AI. Brother and sister role in family is very important for family. Similarly, AI